Okay, Prepare channel Swagatam. I welcome you to the Prepare channel. So in this series, we are discussing about different Assam current affairs as well as national current affairs and international current affairs. So last class at eta যিটো মই কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ সেশন কৰিছিলোঁ সেই কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ সেশনৰ লাষ্টত এটা কুৱেশ্যন আছিল দ্যাট ইজ ৰেল সুৰক্ষা বাহিনীয়ে যি অভিযানৰ অধীনত কেন্দ্ৰীভূত প্ৰচেষ্টা আৰম্ভ কৰিছে সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ অভিযানটোৰ নামটো কি আই এম ৰিপিটিং এগেইন ৰেল সুৰক্ষা বাহিনীয়ে যি অভিযানৰ অধীনত কেন্দ্ৰীভূত প্ৰচেষ্টা আৰম্ভ কৰিছে তাৰ নাম কি so you can answer this through comment in this video okay comment kori yar answer to janabo then now we come to the today's first question is first underwater rail cum road tunnel will be built in which state so India's first underwater rail cum road tunnel kot bonwa hoise kunkhon state ot bonwa hobo that is Assam okay so first underwater rail cum road tunnel will be built in Assam then which organization has recently released the monitor on the world of work report kuntu organization release kore answer is ILO International Labour Organization then who represented India in the 7th meeting of BRICS Sanskrit ministers 7th meetings of BRICS Sanskrit ministers was represented by Meenakshi Lekhi. Then, where has the 4th edition of Shirui Lily Festival to 2022 started? Shirui Lily Festival or 4th edition could start hoise? Answer is Manipur. So the question may be asked like Shirui Lily Festival was celebrated in which state? That is the answer is Manipur. Next, which organization has launched National Data and Analytics Platform? National Data and Analytics Platform has been launched by Niti Aayog. National Data and Analytics Platform has been launched by Niti Aayog. Next, recently, Finland and which country have agreed to join NATO? NATO kune join korise Finlandor logot? The answer is Sweden. Next, which country becomes first Asian country to join NATO Cyber Defense Group? So first Asian country to join NATO Cyber Defense Group is South Korea. Next, who has written the book Decoding the Yoga Sutra by Patanjali? Decoding the Yoga Sutra by Patanjali. This book has been written by Jai Singhania and Acharya Kaushal Kumar. So Jai Singhania and Acharya Kaushal Kumar written the book Decoding the Yoga Sutra by Patanjali. Very, very important. Next, when is National Technological Day celebrated? National Technological Day is celebrated on 11th May. Then recently, in which country the world's largest glass bottom bridge Batch-long pedestrian bridge has been opened. And that country where this world's largest glass bottom bridge, Batch-long pedestrian bridge, been opened is Vietnam. So these are the important current affairs that I have covered in this session. I hope you have liked this. So if you really like this, then do like it and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.